Welcome to Fire Engineering's Training Minutes. And actually, I should say welcome back. Today we're in a building. It's a truss roof building that was featured in Season 7 of Fire Engineering's Training Minutes. Today we're looking at a building that has been rehabilitated. If you go back to Season 7, you will see that this building was in a serious state of deterioration. Let's take a couple of seconds to talk about what happens to a building through the life of the building. From the time the building is constructed, every day that goes by, the building ages. Different things happen to different buildings. Buildings may be well maintained through the life of the structure. Some buildings will go into a state of deterioration as a result of neglect and lack of maintenance to a building. This was one such building. If you go back and look at the video from Season 7, you will see that this building was in a serious state of deterioration. The trusses were unsound. The roof deck was rotted out as the result of years of water leaks that deteriorated the wood roof decking. Well, the building sat for a period of years and has since been rehabilitated. And that's another thing that happens to a building as it goes through its life. This owner purchased the building and wanted to rehabilitate the structure. Some differences between today and Season 7's video is that the truss loft that had been installed in this building has been removed. All of the trusses, they were heavy timber wood trusses, have been removed from the structure. The structure itself has been rehabilitated. A new structural support system was added to the building to support the new trusses. The existing wood trusses, the heavy timber wood trusses, were replaced with steel frame trusses, as you will see in the video. Additionally, the roof decking was completely replaced with 1-inch tongue and groove roof decking. So how does this help the structure? Well, this structure has been rehabilitated and put back to use, which is a good thing in any community. How does it help the fire department? Well, the fire department doesn't have to worry about the deteriorated structure. The roof deck is in good shape. Members would be able to operate on this roof if necessary, but not if this building were on fire. One of the concerns is we are in a downtown commercial district. If an adjoining building were on fire, members might have the opportunity to work off of this building's roof as a working platform without fear of falling through the roof from the deteriorated deck that existed as we saw in Season 7. So let's talk about a fire in this building for a couple of seconds. This building is a wide open building. As you see in the video, there are several skylights that have been replicated through the rehabilitation of the structure. If we look around, we can see that all the trusses are exposed. There are no combustible voids. There is no ceiling in this building. A content fire in this building would be easily fought by the fire department with large caliber streams, without fear of fire getting into the truss loft and burning in a concealed space unnoticed to firefighters, damaging the trusses, creating a collapse concern. Any fire in this building is readily reachable with a hose stream from a safe distance. To kind of summarize a couple of points here. Number one, fire departments need to be aware of the condition of the structures within their response district. Number two, as a building deteriorates, keep an eye on it. As the building is rehabilitated, get out, pre-plan the building, take a walk through, understand what the firefighting limitations might be in this building. All truss roof buildings have certain limitations. The fact that this building does not have a concealed space makes firefighting a whole lot simpler in this building and reduces risk because there will be no fire in a combustible void space above the firefighters' heads that might burn undetected outside the reach of hose streams. I'm Paul Dansbach, and thanks for watching Fire Engineering's Training Minutes.